In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or change the logo on your Substack newsletter. Whether you're rebranding or just want to refresh your newsletter's appearance, changing your logo is a simple process and can really help establish your brand's identity. So let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Substack homepage. This is the main hub where all your content creation happens, so it's essential to begin here. Once you've found yourself on the homepage, look for the settings option. It might sound straightforward, but locating the right spot can save you a lot of time. Now, with the settings menu open, you'll want to direct your attention to the basics section. This is where all the fundamental elements of your newsletter are managed, including your publication logo. Once you're in basics, look over to the right side of the screen and you'll see your current publication logo displayed. This takes us to the exciting part, changing your logo. Click on your existing publication logo and you'll be prompted with options to either upload a new image or explore a creative alternative. If you have a new logo ready to go, this is the time to click on Upload New Image. Ensure that your logo is of good quality and properly sized so that it looks just right on your newsletter, but maybe you haven't settled on a new logo yet, or you want to experiment with some fresh ideas. Substack offers an option to generate new image. This tool can be quite handy and inventive. If you decide to go this route, think about what kind of design or style embodies your brand. You'll be asked to describe what you want to create, so it's a good idea to have a clear vision in mind. Once you've described your ideal logo, click Generate. The tool will work its magic and you'll be presented with a range of options. Look through these generated images and see which one resonates with you. When you find the one that suits your brand's personality, simply select it and click on Insert. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Substack newsletter logo. This simple change can give your newsletter a fresh look and can make a significant impact on how your readers perceive your content. Remember that a well-chosen logo is not just a decoration, it's a crucial element of your brand identity that speaks to your audience before they even begin reading, so take the time to make it representative of your unique message and vision. Happy updating!